morning friends, I am Dr. Ashish Sarwal, urologist and men's health expert from New Delhi, India. In this video, I will explain to you Kegel exercises which are usually required after the radical prostatectomy for prostate cancer. So when we do the prostate surgery, the sphincter for urine control is very close to the prostate. So that's why when we remove the prostate, there is some urine leakage. And if our pelvic muscles are strong, then the urine leakage problem will get over soon. So to make the pelvic muscles strong, the best way is to do the Kegel exercises. In this video, I will show you the proper way to do the Kegel exercises. So there are 3 exercises. Number 1, imagine that you're sitting in a meeting and you have to go to the bathroom, but you cannot go because you cannot get up. So what you do, you try to hold the urine by squeezing the urethra. So it's like you pull back the urethra and squeeze it. You don't have to squeeze with the hand, it has to be with the urethral muscles. For example, if you have a catheter, you're squeezing on the catheter. So like that, you have to squeeze the urethra. After squeezing, you have to count till 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and then release. Again count till 10 and then release. Like this 10 times in the morning, 10 times in the afternoon, 10 times in the evening. So this is first exercise that you have to squeeze the urethra. Second exercise is that imagine you have a finger in your rectum. So basically you have a finger in the asshole and you are squeezing around the finger. So it is not that you have to really put the finger, it is just you have to imagine that there is something inside and you have to squeeze. So you will be squeezing your buttock. When you squeeze, that time tummy should be soft, everything should be soft, only the buttock should be tight. So you squeeze, count till 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and release. Again squeeze, count till 10 and release. Like this 10 times in the morning, 10 times in the afternoon, 10 times in the evening. So these are the 2 exercises, and the third one is with a pillow. So it's a simple exercise. You put your feet like this a little bit apart and your knees also a little bit apart. Now put a pillow in between this and then squeeze your knees. So when you press the knees, you will have full pressure in the perineum. The aim is to activate the perineal muscles and make them strong. So you have to squeeze. When you squeeze, your tummy should be soft, your buttocks, everything will be soft. Only the full pressure should be from the knees. You don't have to hold the pillow with your hand. So squeeze, count till 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and then again release it. Again squeeze, count till 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and release it. Like this 10 times in the morning, 10 times in the afternoon, 10 times in the evening. So these exercises, the main way to do it is that you have to squeeze, maintain the pressure. Many patients, when I tell them the Kegel exercise, what they will do is like this, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, like this without any holding of pressure will not help. You have to squeeze, maintain that pressure at least for 10 seconds and then release. So these are the 3 exercises. I hope you like this video. If you want to know any other information about prostate cancer and for that you want to consult me, you can email me or WhatsApp me. My email address and WhatsApp number are given in the description. Thank you.